In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter full screen in Smartsheets. This is a quick but incredibly useful trick that helps you focus on your work by making the most of your screen space. If you're reviewing a busy project plan, presenting to a team, or you just want fewer distractions, full screen is the cleanest way to see more rows and columns without changing your sheet. Start by opening the sheet you want to work on. Once your sheet is loaded, direct your eyes to the very top right area of the toolbar. This toolbar runs along the top of Smartsheet and holds the main controls you use every day. In that top right corner, you'll notice a small cluster of icons. One of them looks like a set of expanding arrows, typically angled out toward the corners. That expanding arrows icon is your full screen control. Go ahead and click that expanding arrows icon. The moment you do, Smartsheet clears away the extra interface chrome, things like some toolbars and navigation elements, so your grid, Gantt view, or card view stretches out and fills the available space. You'll instantly see more of your sheet at once, which is great for skimming long task lists, comparing dates side by side, or showing stakeholders a cleaner view during a meeting. A quick note on finding the icon. Its position is consistent, top right of the toolbar, but the exact look of the interface can change slightly with updates or depending on your screen size. If your browser window is very narrow or zoomed in, some icons may appear condensed or tucked into a compact area. Don't worry, just look for the icon that suggests expanding outward. It's designed to be recognizable at a glance. While in full screen, you can continue working as usual. You can click into cells, type updates, adjust column widths, and scroll through your data. Nothing about your ability to edit changes. You're simply getting a more spacious canvas. This makes it especially handy when doing side-by-side comparisons, cleaning up data, or concentrating on detailed sections without visual clutter. And that's it. Entering full screen in Smartsheet is truly just a single click. Use it whenever you need extra focus or a polished view for reviews and presentations. When you're ready to go back to your regular layout, it's simple to return to the standard view using the same control, so you can switch back and forth without losing your place. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more focused Smartsheet experience.